What's up YouTube? Cliff here from the Sunday Drive. Today we're going to be installing fender badges on my brother's 2016 WRX. First we're going to open up the door so we can access this inside edge. Now we're going to take a heat gun and lightly heat this up. You don't want to do too much or you could damage the paint around the area, but this will make the double-sided tape on the other side of this badge easier to pry off. Once you've warmed up the area thoroughly, take a pick tool like this or a pry tool. I just find a 90-degree tool is a little bit easier. Get it between this lower part of your fender right here. This is plastic, and this badge right here, and start to pull that out. Keep reapplying heat during the process to make sure it stays nice and warm and comes off easily. Once you get it started, you can just pull it off by hand. And there you go, there's the badge removed. Now just go ahead and peel off the double-sided tape right here. If you need to, you can use a little Goo Gone, but this should come off pretty easily, especially if you've warmed it up ahead of time. If there's dirt in here, go ahead and wash that out. I'm just gonna take a little rubbing alcohol and make sure that this surface is nice and clean for the new badge. The link to these badges will be in the description of this video. They come pre-installed with 3M mounting tape, so just go ahead and peel off the backing. There's a guide pin up front as well as in the back. Put these in the appropriate holes and press it in. And just press that down for a few seconds. If it's a colder day, you can go ahead and heat this new badge a little bit to help the new tape adhere. Again, don't overheat, just heat it until it's slightly warm to the touch. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Very quick and clean install. We have a lot of other content on my brother's WRX as well as a lot more videos coming on his car. If you're not subscribed already, please hit subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. I will see you guys here next time.